It's another Friday! Hey girl, it's your girl Kayla. It's another Friday, which means Foundation Friday. And today's foundation I'm really excited about because I got it in PR. I got it from Benefit. So Benefit came out with another product for their Hello Happy line. This is the Hello Happy Airstick Foundation. It claims to be weightless, buildable medium coverage, waterproof, 16-hour long wear formula. It has SPF 20 in it and it's a natural finish. So today we are going to be putting this to the test. This retails for $32 and it comes in 12 shades, but they did send me 4. So I finally get to swatch some things for you guys because whenever I do a Foundation Friday, I usually just buy one that's going to be closest to my shade because I don't see the point in buying 4 or 5, especially because that's really gonna hurt my wallet. But they send me 5, 6, 7, and 8. I feel like I'm gonna be 5, or actually looking at this packaging, I'm probably gonna be 6. And the good thing about it is I'll probably be able to contour with 8, not so much highlight with 5, but I do have their liquid concealer that I can, apply with this one. So right off the back, the packaging is really cute. It is this like aluminum packaging, which I really like. It's not a plastic packaging, so you're gonna get more bang for your buck with the $32. I kind of hate seeing something that's priced at $32 and doesn't have the packaging to back it up. Like, yes, the formula is probably great, but I need that packaging to be a reasonable, kind of packaging or material to justify the price. So each of them does come with the little happy face that it normally comes with. The cool thing too is each packaging has like the shade of the actual shade that it is inside. I'm just gonna do one. Ooh, warm it up is what I'm trying to say. Then we have 7. And then we have 8. I should be able to use 8 as a contouring stick. It's more warmer tone, so it's going to be more like a bronzer, almost like a cream bronzer, but I think it's going to look great on my skin either way. The cool thing about this is I can use shades for the different areas of my face because my face isn't the same shade all around. Something I do want to mention is 12 shades definitely isn't enough. I definitely think they should expand their shade range. It's the only thing that they're lacking with a lot of their products, but I know that Benefit's more a brow company or like a brow line, I guess you would say. Like they're more focused on brows and they're slowly introducing other products. So they have like their cheek products. Their cheek products are amazing, don't get me wrong, those are great, and I'm really glad that they started expanding on other shades for different skin tones. So I'm glad to see that they do have like 4. So they have like 4 fair, 4 medium, and 4 darks or deeps. We're gonna say deeps and like 1 dark, but we need more. That's all I'm gonna say. I really do think 6 is gonna be it. 5 could work, but I feel like no, it's gonna be a little too light. Here's 6, 7. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go with 6 and maybe 5 on certain areas. Like the 6 matches my neck better, the 5 matches my face better, but we want to try and match our neck. I'm gonna prime today with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. You guys know I use this a lot. I'm gonna go in with a couple different shades to try and get this to match the best. So we're gonna do 6 on the outer edges of my face. I like how this glides on so smoothly and it doesn't feel greasy on my face. I'm gonna take 7 on the forehead because it is a tad bit darker. Here we go. And then we're gonna take 5 on the rest of my face. You guys know for the right side of my face, I take a flat kabuki brush. Today I'm going to be using the Real Techniques foundation blender that I used in my last video. I actually really like it. I forgot to zoom you guys in so you can see what's going on my face. So far I like it. I'm not like in love with it or shocked or anything. But let's see if maybe the sponge on the other side is going to give me something better. Next I'm taking my Juno & Co. microfiber sponge. I want to say this is a microfiber sponge. I don't know. It's the little fuzzy one. It's super good. And I'm just going to stiffle the foundation on the other side. So far, I do have to say, it blends really quickly. So it's not taking me forever. So like I can definitely build this up quicker. I do want to see if it is more buildable. Very light coverage on both sides. I'm not sure which side I like more. So far, the light coverage is not for me, girl. So what I'm going to do is take some more of 6 and just go over everything. It just says natural finish, so it doesn't give like a mattifying or like a dewy finish. So it's not going to be, I mean, if you have oily skin, you're probably going to want to take those extra steps to prevent the oils from coming out during the day. I like this finish though. It's kind of nice. Ooh, girl, we're getting a pimple. Okay, so far, as you can see, ooh, look at that. It kind of smooths. Look at this side compared to this side. It is lightweight too. I know normally when I see stick foundations, I think like greasy and like very heavy and just thick and gross and ugh. I'm going to take my Benefit Boing Concealer in the shade number 5. With this bitch, a little goes a long way, so just be very careful. I'm going to take the shade number 8 and then go ahead and start kind of contouring. I'm going to be setting my face with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade number 30. So far, so good. It looks really, really nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to do the rest of my face off camera and then I'll come back and give you guys my thoughts. So it is currently 3:51. It's almost 4. It's pretty late in the day. I got my day started a little late. I had to work out at 11 in the morning. I cleaned the apartment. Well, majority of the apartment. I didn't clean my room. My room looks like trash, okay? And then getting ready. I did my fake nails, whatever. Put my press-ons on. Then sat here and started filming. So it is a little late. I apologize. But I'm going to check in with you guys in a little bit. I am going to my grandma's today. I think depending on what time my boyfriend gets out of work, because it's already 4, so I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go eat and then I'll update you guys in a few hours and give you guys my final thoughts. So yeah. Okay guys, I forgot to do a midday update, but I just wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like right now. Honestly, the camera's making it look really weird, but like in person it looks great, in my opinion. I like the way it looks. It looks really nice, but it is a little bit, just a tad bit shiny. It is 3 in the morning, so there's that. It's been a full 12 hours of wear, but yeah. Now my phone is acting up, so before it acts up any further, is this worth your money? I definitely think it is. I would say if you have oily skin, be sure to set it really well and do your powder before you apply foundation. It is really lightweight. Honestly, I forgot that I was wearing it and I kept scratching my face. I was like, oh my god, I forgot I'm wearing foundation on. Honestly, like the whole day I was just like trying to rub my face and I was like, no, stop. But I'm gonna go because my phone's acted up now. Speaking of technical difficulties, I'm having a lot of technical difficulties right now with my computer, with my phone, so I'm gonna sign off and go to bed. It is really late, so yeah, this is what 12 hours of work gets you. It's really nice. It's like light to medium coverage. It looks super good in person. I don't know what, like the camera's picking up like a lot of my texture, but like in person, it looks great. So, all right, okay. I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next one, and bye.